In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the latest features in Kapwing, an exciting platform for creating and editing digital media. Whether you're familiar with Kapwing or just starting out, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know about the new media library, audio fade capabilities, and plugins integration. So let's dive right in. We're starting off by navigating to the Kapwing platform. Once you're on the Studio Editor page, look to your left and click on the Media tab. This is where all your projects begin. Here, you can upload your own files. The best part is that once you've uploaded your files, they stay in the library, making it super easy to reuse media across different projects without having to re-upload them every single time. This feature is a real time saver, especially if you work with recurring assets or brand-specific content. Now, let's switch gears to audio. On the same left-hand menu, you'll find the audio option. Clicking this opens a world of possibilities. You can select an existing audio track or even record your own directly on the platform. If you're feeling creative, Kapwing now offers text-to-speech functionalities, giving you even more ways to customize your soundscape. You can even dub your video or clone a voice, adding layers of voice work to enhance your content. These audio features help bring your media to life with a professional touch. Once you have your audio track selected, it's time to add some polish with effects. Head to the Effects panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you can toggle options like Fade In and Fade Out, which are essential for creating smooth transitions and clean audio endpoints. This simple step is crucial for adding that professional finish to your audio tracks, ensuring they blend seamlessly with your visual content. Last but not least, let's talk about plugins, a new addition to Kapwing that enhances your editing toolkit. These plugins offer extra tools within the platform, such as stock media, AI tools, and more integrations. To access these, click the Plugins option on the left panel. You can browse and add the ones you need, like a stock video search, to expand your creative possibilities. It's an exciting feature because it integrates additional capabilities directly into your workspace, allowing for a more streamlined and efficient workflow. That concludes our look into the latest features in Kapwing. From organizing your media, customizing audio, to expanding functionalities with plugins, these updates make Kapwing an even more powerful tool for creators. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these new features as exciting and useful as I do. Happy creating!